Hey, little buddy.
Uh-huh.
Let me see your mouth. Maya's tooth he just pulled it out right there.
It's gross. Oh my god.
Look, right here. There it is.
How long will this blood take to get away?
It's gonna take a little while because it has to. Well, you need to push a. Here, get that napkin there, that paper towel, and push it in between there. Spit that water out. Smile. Yay!
Fish.
Tooth Fairy's coming tonight to Abba's house. The Tooth Fairy gives you $5 at Abba's house, I think.
It's huge. Huge. That's just huge. That's the longest tooth I ever saw.
All right. Well,
Let's put it under the pillow.
okay, we will. Okay, wave to the camera. Hold your tooth up here. Hold your tooth up. Smile. Hey, hold your tooth up like that. Smile. Yay! And then hold on. Hold on. Hold that.